What is up, YouTube? Cody Arnold here with Oregon State Productions. Now today for you, we have Freak Show Industries software, all three, MISHBY, DumpsterFire, and BackMask. Now we're going to show you how these softwares work within FL Studios on a beat that I am working on now. That way you guys can go, hey, I actually like that plugin, I want to download it. You guys can hit the link in the description below and actually download them. So without further ado, let's go ahead and use these software and see how they work. So first up, we're going to go ahead and use BackMask. Personally, this is my favorite plugin by Freak Show Industries at the moment. So we're going to isolate everything away and just listen to the violins with this in reverse. So you can hear BackMask successfully reversing the song. Some creepy ass sounds. I love that. This is actually my favorite plugin. It's very versatile. I can use the hell out of that. So now let's go ahead and hear this piece without BackMask. So now we have all that bounce and rhythm because it's going forward. Now we're going to go ahead and check out DumpsterFire. This one, honestly, I really kind of don't like out of the three. It just doesn't really do much. And then when it does something, it's too much. So as you hear there, I really can't explain what that's actually doing. I think that's probably throwing it into a chorus, degrading it, and then throwing in a new pitch. So if you do like a 1/3 ratio, that way you get some dry volume peeking through it. It's not too bad, but you're gonna be stuck to some hard, dark trap songs. But if you're looking for dark, I mean, that's what you're gonna get. So now we're on to MISHBY. Now this one is more of a pitcher. It's gonna fuck up the pitch of the song itself. And the reason I use the word fuck up the pitch is because I discovered if you right-click a very specific spot in the software, it has an option that says, fuck me up. In fact, I will pick up the camera and show you guys that here in a sec. So we're going to go ahead and click on MISHBY. We're going to go ahead and turn up MISHBY. As you hear that, it's fucking up our pitches. So, there's this blue area up here in the top right corner. Right-click it. Right there. Fuck me up. Now, as you can see, that's not really good for much. So, a smart person either does an extremely low volume of this horrible texture, or you have it all the way up. Well, actually, let's not, because that is just horrible. A little bit of violin still, right? You pull it down, and then it's just a texture for the whole song. So now the song has this little bounce, and you're never going to know really what it is. And you're like, what the hell is that sound? Well, now you have a custom texture. Of course, I don't think you guys can actually hear it, but that's alright. So, I guess, as you guys can see, MISHBY really doesn't have too much use. Don't get me wrong, it's a fairly cool one. DumpsterFire really, again, also doesn't have much use. Let's see if we can fine-tune DumpsterFire. Ooh, damn. That's actually cool. Alright, so I guess as you can see, if you really take your time to fine-tune DumpsterFire, it can actually work for quite a bit of cool sounds. But MISHBY itself is going to be a very limited use. It's cool, don't get me wrong, but it's just kind of too much. So definitely, if you guys want to try out Freak Show Industries softwares, hit the link in the description. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button wherever that thing is. And of course, as always, have fun, you know. Go enjoy making some new sounds. Get creepy with it. Make some horror noises. Make a cinematic scene with horror stuff or a dark trap song. Do whatever comes to mind, guys. Enjoy. Cody Arnold with Oregon State Productions. Like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.